Hello, I am Sir Kim, your English teacher. Are you ready for this week's lesson? Before we start, here are some reminders. I-ready ang iyong ballpen, pad paper, at module. Basahin at unawain mabuti ang mga instructions sa bawat learning task. Iwasang magusot, madumihan, mapunit, at higit sa lahat, ang mawala ang iyong module. Magpagabay lamang kay mami, daddy, ate, kuya, o kung sino mang nakatatanda sa iyo. Ikaw pa rin dapat ang sasagot sa bawat learning task. Huwag kalimutang isulat ang iyong pangalan, section, pati na rin ang learning task number na sinasagutan mo. Pwedeng i-pause ang video para mas mabasa o maunawaan mo ang mga instructions. Kung may tanong, gaya nga ng sinasabi ng lola ni Cardo, huwag mahihiyang magtanong. Last time, we talked about noting significant details. Today's lesson is good for 2 weeks. We will be talking about structure, purpose, and language features of different text types. This lesson features different text types. This includes the identification and analysis of the structure, purpose, and language features. At the end of this lesson, you're expected to identify structure, purpose, and language features of different text types. Let us read this passage. I'm a pasta lover. I love aglio olio pasta. There are lots of ways on how to prepare it, but I tried to learn how to cook it in my own simple way. First, cook the pasta in boiling water using the procedures indicated in the pasta wrapper. Secondly, fry the stripped bacon until it becomes golden brown. Set aside it after. Then, put enough amount of olive oil in the saucepan. Sauté the minced garlic. Add salt and pepper. Place the drained pasta. Add enough amount of lemon juice. Include the chopped celery and pre-cooked bacon. For our first learning task, using the passage that we have read, answer the questions below. Write your answers on your paper. Second learning task. Read the passage, then answer the questions that follow. Write your answers on your paper. Learning task number 3. Read the paragraph below. On your paper, draw the figure described by the text. Then, identify the author's purpose in writing it. When we talk about text types, it refers to the basic types of writing. They are categorized as to factual and literary text. Factual texts are used to inform, recount, instruct, or persuade readers. Examples are speeches, recounts, historical documents, government reports, instructional or procedural texts, and persuasive texts. The second category is called literary text types. It is used to entertain using language formed and structured in creative manner. Examples are drama, narrative texts, and poetry. Purposes of text types. Text types have three main purposes. First, to entertain. It means to provide leisure or enjoyment to readers. Second one is to inform, means to educate or instruct readers on particular details or information. The last one is to persuade, means to ask readers to believe on a particular issue or stand. This allows one to do something caused by sound argument. Structures of text types. Text types are formed in structured ways. These structures are as follows. First one, description. Describes a person, place, animal, or event. Example, whale is the biggest mammal. Second one, sequence or instruction or process. It provides steps in performing an action or order of event. Example, steps on how to cook adobo. Third one, cause and effect. It seeks to identify what happened and how or why it happened. Our house was flooded because of the rain last night. Compare or contrast. It provides similar or dissimilar information about two persons, places, events, animals, and etc. John is taller than Marcos. The last one is problem and solution. It states the problem and the possible solution. Learning task number 4. Read each sentence below. Write what you think might be the cause why the sentence in the second line happens. Write your answers on your paper. For our fifth learning task, find an article for each of the following language structures: description, sequence or instruction or process, cause and effect, compare and contrast, and problem solution. Write or copy and paste these articles on your paper. Then provide an explanation below each article why it belongs to this specific text type language structure. Text types refer to basic types of writing. They are categorized as to factual and literary. Its purposes are to entertain, to inform, or to persuade. They are also structured as text may provide description, sequence, instruction, process, cause and effect, compare and contrast, and problem and solution. Learning task number 6. Identify the text type structure used in each item. Write your answers on your paper. For our final learning task, find an article for each of the following purposes of text types: to entertain, to persuade, and to inform. Write, copy, and paste these articles on your paper. Then provide an explanation to each article why it belongs to this specific type of text purpose. I hope that you learned the different text types, its purposes, and structures. If you have questions, don't hesitate to chat. See you next week!